prosecutor. They became desperate as inauguration approached, and they knew January 6th was a hard deadline, and they predicted Oath Keepers' flag would fly outside Capitol. They intended to take the Capitol. In the previous episode, I talked about the specific intention to take the Capitol. They didn't have to actually take the Capitol and succeed in that in order for them to have completed the act of intending to take the Capitol. And the way to prove that intention is by all of the planning and all of the coordination, and all of the talking that went into it. The prosecutor continues to say that Mr. Caldwell, one of the people who are also on trial for seditious conspiracy with Stewart Rhodes, talked about starting a civil war. And he says they weren't, and the prosecutor says that this idea that Stewart Rhodes said that this insurrection act, they were there for Donald invoking the Insurrection Act, it doesn't fly. And I pointed out the thing about the well-regulated militia, and the prosecutor here says that they, meaning the Oath Keepers, weren't licensed, insured, trained, or paid to provide security of January 6th. So I want to read you the part about the militia that Stewart Rhodes rests his authority to carry arms and be part of an insurrection is the Second Amendment, where it says, a well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. I don't read tyranny anywhere there. I read well-regulated militia, which the Oath Keepers is not. The National Guard is a well-regulated militia that can be called upon if an enemy is attacking the government of the United States. In this case, that would have been Stewart Rhodes. And had Donald Trump really invoked the Insurrection Act, he would have had to call up the National Guard to go after the Oath Keepers and his own people. It would have been a mess. And perhaps one of the many reasons why they didn't